Welcome back. As a manager, I'm always onboarding new labor consultants into my engagements. And the reality is, I need to ensure that each consultant is following my interview script. So with BridgePoint, I can actually create custom prompts. And these prompts are used by every consultant in my engagement. So let's see how do we do this. On the screen, I log in as a manager and I click on Prompt Sets. From here, I select New Prompt Set. I give a name, let's call it Custom Prompt to make things easy, and let's give it a description, New Custom Prompt, to make things simple. Click Create. And now BridgePoint asks, well, what do you want to put in here? All you have to do is click Add a Prompt. And let's make everything simple for now. The first thing I want people to always ask is to review important dates during their interview. So let's write that down here. Review important dates and click Add Prompt. You'll see it loads it right here. Let's add a new card. And let's say we want our consultants to always explain to whoever they're interviewing why every vote matters. So let's enter that here and click Add Prompt. You can see each card is being created and you can delete them if you want, or you could hide them. Let's add 2 or 3 more. Let's say that we also want to be sure that our consultants explain that we are here to understand what workplace concerns matter most. And we want to be sure that the consultant is reminded to stay positive, friendly, and open to any answers they receive. So let's put that into our prompt. Understand what workplace concerns matter most. Remain positive, friendly, and open. And lastly, let's add one more prompt, and you can add as many as you want, but let's be sure that they don't forget to explain workers' rights. So, for my 4th prompt, I'll add that. As you can see, I have 4 total prompts saved. Now when you click back, you will see in your prompt set your custom prompt that you just created. Now that you've done that as a manager, here's where the magic happens with BridgePoint. All the consultants will receive this custom prompt that they can use when they're doing their interviews. Let's now see what they see. So here we have again our educator and labor consultant Gail, who logs into BridgePoint through her mobile phone. Now she has been told by her manager Josh that Josh has uploaded custom prompts for her to use during her training and education sessions. So to use them, Gail simply logs into her phone, clicks on Start Session, then clicks on Run Prompts. From there, she chooses the custom prompt that her manager Josh created. And then during her interview or education session, she clicks Start Prompts. Now BridgePoint will automatically load the custom prompts that her manager created, and Gail can simply use them as a way and a reminder to cover all of the items that her manager wants. In this case, Josh entered 4 items, so Gail is reminded to be sure to cover those 4 items. The first prompt is to review important dates with the person or the client. The next one is to explain why every vote matters. The 3rd prompt is to understand what workplace concerns matter most. And a reminder from her manager to remain positive, friendly, and open. And for the last prompt, don't forget to explain the workers' rights. Now when Gail is done, she simply closes the prompt box by clicking Done and ends her session with the client. As soon as the client leaves, Gail will record the notes from her session by clicking Start Session and entering one-on-one data or group data depending on the number of people that she surveyed. And that's it. That's how you use custom prompts between a manager and a consultant in BridgePoint. Thank you.